Are you stuck in your current job and you want to transition into AI and data science? Or are you a starter from high school and you don't really know what to do with your life? Are you craving for something bigger, for something to reinvent yourself, or just to have a really strong start to your journey as a human? Step into the world of AI and data science with our 6-week crash course of Introduction to Python and Machine Learning. This course is your fast track to the tech career you have always been dreaming of. Personalized recommendations like the ones in Instagram and Facebook to self-driving cars, AI is shaping our lives. In this course, you will use Python to really learn why and how these services are being spread out into everything that we do. Our courses are tailor-made. They're customized for your needs. We take you step by step into the mastery of something that you have never done. If you're a starter that has never coded, this course is for you. You will have a hands-on experience with professional instructors who are actually industry experts. Our curriculum is designed based on the most recent advancements from tech giants like the ones of NVIDIA and Google. Our instructors are seasoned industry experts and university academics who will take you from the very basics of Python and machine learning to actually you building real-world projects. So are you ready to shape the future and your future? Start your journey at AI Tech Institute. Enroll now to reinvent your future in just 6 weeks. AI Tech Institute, unlocking possibility in every line of code.